What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Guys, in this video we're going to be checking out Milady meme coin once again on the channel. Go support the previous Milady meme coin videos, guys. Nothing but quality content on the channel, man. Ladies right now, a lot of people, like I said, they're feeling kind of on edge, feeling kind of, down about the price action, but this is normal, man. This is normal price action. A lot of alts are doing the same thing. A lot of them are going sideways. When you zoom out of the ladies chart, when in doubt zoom out, we see that it's holding a level and just having a lot of sideways momentum. It's gonna take time before it starts to get bullish again. I would say wait until the broader markets start to get bullish, because look at Doge, for example. Doge has been sideways for a minute. Shiba has been sideways for a minute. Before we get into ladies and market caps, etc., let's take a look at Shiba, man. Shiba has been sideways for a minuto, man. Look at look at the alt chart. It has just been sideways for a minuto. Right? So this is typical, man. What is great is that you're not getting the project literally going to zero for Miladies, right? You're not seeing the project go to zero. So eventually, after all this consolidation, eventually one catalyst and then boom, it's right back up there. It starts going crazy again, and it's right back to that 1.5 mark, making new all-time highs. You just never know with these projects. And like I said, to me, ladies is a top meme coin in the space. Trade volume stays the same, around 3.27 million, $3 million in trade volume. Market cap is at 20 million. So I'm still bullish on ladies. I'll be bullish. I don't have that much invested, but gonna stay holding until the bull cycle, man. Like I said, it's still a new meme coin. Still very active. People are talking about it. Still got content creators that are covering it, and listed on crypto.com, just like for example Mars doing the same thing with the sideways consolidation. But yeah, man, listed on crypto.com here for Mars, right there, crypto.com. One of the few meme coins that is listed on crypto.com, which is Milady meme coin. And like I said, retail investors, they love meme coins, man. They love meme coins. Crypto.com, ladies, 96k in volume, right? There's not much new money in the space right now, guys. It's still the same amount. Even when Pepe was going ballistic to $1 billion in market cap, that was just old money, like swapping hands. Like, it was just old money, just constantly just buying into Pepe. There's no new money in the space yet, guys. I'm telling you, when new money starts to get into the space, first place they go to is tier 1 exchanges like a crypto.com, Coinbase, Binance. I would like Milady to get that Coinbase listing, right? KuCoin as well. It's listed on KuCoin, but I'm saying like retail investors buy from Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, crypto.com. There's a lot of investors that are specifically, like I said, only buy from crypto.com. Like that's the only place they get their crypto. They don't dabble into DeFi. They don't use Uniswap, none of that, right? Their first purchase of ladies was when it got listed on crypto.com, right? So I'm thinking, like I said, when new money finally starts to get into the space and the total crypto market cap starts to go to $3 to $10 trillion, that's when you're gonna see ladies really start its parabolic moves again. Not right now though. Unless some type of catalyst happens from the team or something, right? But for now, it's just gonna be sideways, man. Sitting at 20 million market cap, it's just gonna be consolidation, man. That's what I'm gonna see for ladies, guys. So like I said, get your hands. Not financial advice, but if you got 10 billion ladies, I think that's a great amount to have. 10 billion, right? $300, that's a lot to me, because you're buying these levels just like how maybe I should pull up another project. You're buying these levels like Sheeb in 2021 when it dropped down. Remember, it had this huge explosion from nothing in April, May. Then it dropped back down in 2021, and then Bitcoin started to go crazy once again. And what did SHIB do? Go even crazier, man. Right? So that's gonna happen eventually for ladies and a lot of other meme coins, in my opinion. It's just patience now, because you see SHIB hasn't started to move up yet. It's still consolidating, but eventually something's gonna happen where you just see this huge explosion. I remember, like, this is another meme coin I was in that I got a 10x on. Got a 10x on this. It dropped down. I don't know why the chart looks like this, but it dropped down, and then Bitcoin started to go crazy, and a lot of meme coins followed, and then boom, I got a 10x just like that in this meme coin that was running with SHIB, Kishu Inu. Right, it's sitting around the same market cap as Milady, but again, these memes have bag holders. They got bag holders, and they already saw a bull market. That's why I'm more bullish on ladies, because it never saw a bull market, right? It also has the NFTs that are gaining in popularity, the Milady NFTs that are gaining in popularity going forward as well. So yeah, I'm more bullish on this one out of all the meme coins, guys. Pepe, I'm bullish on Pepe because it's new. I like new, right? I'm bullish on Milady, right? I like new meme coins. I like the ones that haven't seen a bull market. Those are the ones I'm bullish on. Now there's others, but you know, won't mention them here. If I do, I'll mention them on Patreon or something. But yeah, they just go through the meme coin category and pick the ones that haven't seen a bull market yet, still have a strong community, has tier 1 exchange listings. Those are the ones I'm like, okay, I'm bullish on these ones, right? And Milady is one of those. In my opinion, I think this is gonna do very well. Okay, I could be wrong, obviously, but I think it's gonna do well. Floki for life. Ladies, I see people posted saying, I was told I regret selling, blah blah blah. What are you, 5 years old? You will 100% regret selling if you don't buy this dip or accumulate. I don't have to hold your hand to point out facts. Do your own research. JSW, I'm bullish on ladies. Ladies, Crypto Crunch, it's almost time. Coordinate the group strike at the same time. No early releases or you're out. Dinho, I'm bullish on ladies. DJ Awesome, bullish. Ladies to the moon. You know. Crypto Runner, Earl 1 soon, guys. Get your bags ready. I'm loading up. 65.7k followers on Twitter. Just like a rare gem, ladies, never stop shining with brilliance and allure. Embrace the beauty of the crypto universe and let ladies be your guiding star. Ladies X. Mona ladies. Good. Mona ladies. So guys, this is what I'm saying, right? It reminds me of like I said, the previous cycle, the chart I showed you with, like, for example, even with Shiba, right? It reminds me of, you know, this is like a example. It had a huge run up here all season, then it was just sideways, then boom, huge explosion. And that's gonna happen again soon, right? It's gonna happen for ladies and a ton of other meme coins that have strong community, tier 1 exchange listings as well, because there's gonna be new money that starts to flow into the space, man. Now it's just patience. It's a patience game. That's all it is now. Zenith, can't resist the dip, ladies. Somebody just bought 1.3 billion. Nice bag. General Shiba Inu just bought some more, ladies. 140 million. Nice bag. Okay. And Crypto Al, ladies to the moon. Now that's what I'm saying. People are still very bullish on the project, and you see where they're buying from, right? Crypto.com. See that? I'm telling you. Crypto.com there. Zenith. Crypto.com. Right? I'm telling you guys, there's people that literally just buy off Crypto.com exchange. There's a huge community with Crypto.com and the exchange, right? Because you know, it's one of the top tier ones next to Binance and Coinbase, and there's only a few meme coins there. And when retail starts to get into the space, I think they're gonna buy the ones more with the, you know, that have never seen a bull market, has better price discovery, and also don't have any underwater bag holders, not that many compared to the other projects that have been around since the previous bull markets, right? Projects that have never seen a bull market, from what I've heard, tend to outperform projects that have already seen a bull market. So I think when retail starts to FOMO and they see huge green candles on ladies, because in a bull market, everything on tier 1 exchanges is gonna be sending like 100% a day, 2x a day. Like, I'm telling you, when it's a bull market, tier 1 exchange coins are gonna be sending like 2x a day. Everything's gonna be going 100%, 3x, 4x, and retail is gonna FOMO into that. And they're gonna FOMO more into meme coins, because I know how retail thinks. Okay, I'm a retail investor myself. I know how they think. They love meme coins. They could care less about utility, man. They love meme coins. So guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral. If you hold ladies, please be sure to blow this video up, man. Share it all over Twitter, social media. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.